Stop treating your marketing like a manual chore. Today, I am reviewing Klaviyo, and specifically, how their new AI agents like Composer and the Marketing Agent are changing the game for e-commerce brands looking to scale without burning out. Klaviyo is best described as an autonomous B2C CRM, and from the information on their official site, it is designed to unify your marketing, analytics, and service into one single growth engine, currently powering over 193,000 brands across 100 countries. The core strength here is that Klaviyo operates as a unified customer data platform, or CDP, combining data, real-time signals, and these AI agents to act as both a system of record and a system of action. On the positive side, the platform supports a massive range of channels including email, SMS, RCS, WhatsApp, and mobile push, and it integrates natively with over 350 tools like Shopify, plus AI connectors for ChatGPT and Claude, giving you a very flexible tech stack. Beyond that, they offer two specific agents. The marketing agent learns from your website URL to build key flows and forms in minutes, while the customer agent is designed to resolve support questions autonomously while also having the power to recommend products and drive revenue. They claim it resolves 65% of questions on its own. The standard tier, which is included in paid plans, offers 24/7 email support with response times between 4 to 48 hours, live chat available only on weekdays, and unlimited access to customer education, making it best for growing businesses that need reliable support and self-service resources. Moving up, the professional plan starts at $500 per month and provides priority support with faster 2 to 24-hour response times, extended live chat hours that include weekends, one dedicated training session per year, and the option to request a deliverability strategist, which is ideal for scaling businesses that require quicker responses and more strategic guidance. At the top end, the enterprise plan starts at $800 per month and delivers the fastest support with 1 to 12-hour response times, 24/7 live chat coverage including weekends. Thanks for watching. Bye.